Now, this video is specially made for cleaning enthusiastic owner, as in this video I have listed top 5 best steamer for cleaning in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit cleaning steamer after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of steamers. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the best steamer for cleaning. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with cleaning, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner, Model 2987, is a lightweight yet powerful solution for pet owners seeking effective carpet cleaning. Weighing just 12 pounds, it features a 4-row deep-reach power brush roll that effectively lifts embedded dirt and pet stains from carpets and area rugs. Its 2-tank system ensures clean and dirty water remains separate, enhancing cleaning efficiency. The collapsible handle allows for convenient storage, making it suitable for homes with limited space. Users appreciate its ability to handle high-traffic areas and its ease of use, noting that it leaves carpets looking refreshed and smelling clean. While it may not have the capacity for large-scale cleaning projects, its performance in everyday scenarios, especially in pet-friendly households, makes it a valuable addition to home cleaning tools. Overall, the Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner 2987 offers a balance of portability and cleaning power, making it a top choice for maintaining clean carpets in homes with pets. Number 2. The McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner is a robust and versatile tool, particularly effective for carpet cleaning. Its 64-ounce water tank provides up to 120 minutes of continuous steam, allowing for extended deep cleaning sessions without frequent refills. The variable steam control enables users to adjust the pressure up to 58 psi, ensuring optimal performance across various carpet types and stain intensities. Equipped with 23 accessories, including a large mop head and specialized brushes, the MC1385 is designed to tackle embedded dirt and stubborn stains effectively. Its 10-foot steam hose and 18-foot power cord offer substantial reach, facilitating cleaning in larger rooms and hard-to-reach areas. While its size may pose storage challenges, the cleaner's efficiency and chemical-free operation make it a valuable asset for maintaining clean and sanitized carpets. Overall, the McCulloch MC1385 stands out as a top-tier steam cleaner, combining power, versatility, and eco-friendly features to deliver exceptional carpet cleaning results. Number 3. The Bissell TurboClean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner, Model 3746, stands out as a powerful and user-friendly solution for pet owners seeking effective carpet cleaning. Equipped with a 4-row deep-reach power brush, it efficiently lifts embedded dirt, pet hair, and tough stains from carpets and area rugs. The included 3-inch tough stain tool and spraying crevice tool enhance its versatility, allowing users to tackle upholstery and hard-to-reach areas with ease. Its lightweight design, weighing under 17 pounds, combined with smooth rolling wheels, ensures easy maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. The 1-gallon clean water tank minimizes the need for frequent refills during extended cleaning sessions. Users appreciate its straightforward assembly and intuitive controls, making it accessible even for first-time users. While some note that the dirty water tank may require frequent emptying during large-scale cleaning, the overall performance and convenience of the Bissell TurboClean Pet XL make it a top choice for maintaining clean and fresh carpets in pet-friendly households. Number 4. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Advanced Compact Carpet Cleaner, Model FH55050PC, is a lightweight and efficient solution for pet owners seeking to maintain clean carpets and upholstery. Equipped with a power-spin pet brush roll, it effectively lifts and removes embedded pet hair and stains from carpets, stairs, and furniture. The inclusion of Hoover's Paws and Claws cleaning formula enhances its ability to tackle tough pet messes, leaving surfaces refreshed. Its compact design and lightweight build make it easy to maneuver and store, while the heat force technology ensures faster drying times, allowing for quicker access to cleaned areas. Users appreciate its dual tank system, which keeps clean and dirty water separate, simplifying the cleaning process. While the water tank capacity may require more frequent refills during extensive cleaning sessions, the machine's performance and versatility make it a valuable addition to any pet-friendly household. Overall, the Hoover PowerDash Pet Advanced offers a practical and effective solution for maintaining cleanliness in homes with pets. Number 5. The Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe Portable Carpet Cleaner, Model 3353, is a compact and versatile cleaning device designed to tackle pet-related messes and everyday spills. Weighing under 10 pounds, its lightweight design and built-in carry handle make it easy to maneuver across various surfaces, including carpets, upholstery, stairs, and car interiors. The cleaner features a 48-ounce dual-tank system that keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring efficient cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Equipped with a 3-inch tough stain tool and a stain trapper tool, the Little Green Pet Deluxe effectively addresses stubborn stains and pet accidents. The Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool simplifies maintenance by flushing out residue after each use. Users appreciate its powerful suction, which aids in lifting embedded dirt and reducing drying time. Additionally, the machine includes trial-size bottles of Bissell's Pet Spot and Stain formula and Pet Oxy Boost, enhancing its stain removal capabilities. Customers have praised the Little Green Pet Deluxe for its effectiveness in removing tough stains and odors, noting its convenience for quick cleanups and its ability to handle various cleaning tasks. While some users mention the need for occasional refilling during extensive cleaning, the overall consensus highlights its efficiency and ease of use. The Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe stands out as a reliable solution for pet owners and households seeking a portable and effective carpet cleaning option. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com. And choose them accordingly so that from this video, and I hope you like this video on best steam cleaner for carpet. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.